Simplify radicals. Question 9. Root 28. First, we have to factor out the largest perfect square. 28, once we divide by 2, we will get 14. Again, divide by 2, we will get 7. 7 is a prime number, so we cannot anymore simplify this one. But we can write 4 times 7. Why? Because we need a largest perfect square. How? Root 28, we can write a root 4 times 7. So you can simplify like root 4 times root 7. 4 is a perfect square, so we can write 2, and here is a root 7. Very simple. Number 10. Similar, 125. 125. We can divide by 5, so we will get 25. Again, we can divide by 5. Again, we will get 5. What does mean? It means 125, we can write root, here is a 25 times 5. Then root 25 times root 5. Root 25 is a perfect square, so root 25 will be 5, and here is a root 5. 24. So 24, first we can divide by 2, we will get 12. Again, divide by 2, we will get 6, right? Divide by 2, we will get 3. So it means, what is the perfect square of 24? So first we can write like 4 times 6. 4 is a perfect square, and combination 4 times 6 will be 24. Then root 4 times root 6. Root 4, it means 2, and here is a root 6. This is our answer. Number 12. First, we have to segregate like this way. Root 80 divide root 16. Root 80, we can write like 80 divide 2, it will be 40, divide 2, it will be 20, divide 2, it will be 10, and finally divide 2, it will be 5. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2, it will be 16 times 5. 16 is a perfect square, so we need this one. 16 times 5, and root 16, it will be 4, equal. So it's a root 16 times root 5 divide 4. And finally, here is root 16 means 4, and here is a root 5 divide 4. 4 divide 4, our answer is what? Answer is root 5. And this one also we can write like this way. 80 divide 16, it will be 5. So answer is root 5. This is the simplest way. So anyway, we are trying to solve 4 math in this video. All the math are very important for examination. If you think this channel is helping you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.